in trouble and you need someone to help you out, there's no need to whistle and there's no need to shout. Hey, 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 help is on its way. Call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers. If ever things go wrong and don't work out the way you planned, there's no need to worry, they'll always lend a helping hand. Hey, 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 help is on its way.
It's the Koala Brothers.
Frank, Buster, you've got to help me.
Sure, we're here to help.
Call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, help is on its way.
Frank and Buster are out on their daily patrol looking for anyone in need of help. Who do you think they're going to help today? Will it be Ned? Or Mitzi? Or maybe George? Maybe they're going to help someone in town. Will it be Sammy? Or Josie? Or Alice? Maybe they'll help someone by the waterhole. Do you think it'll be Archie? Or Penny? Or even Lolly? Who are the Koala Brothers going to help today? It's Sammy! Whoa. The Koala Brothers are going to help Sammy today. One day, Sammy the shopkeeper was collecting honey from his beehive. Sammy loved his bees. Every morning he'd check to see that they'd all arrived home safely.
G'day, Dolly. And you, Sally. Mandy. G'day, Trixie. Bessie? Bessie, where are you?
On this particular day, Sammy discovered one of his bees hadn't returned home. Bessie was missing.
Oh, don't worry, everyone. I'll find Bessie.
Meanwhile, at the homestead, something else was missing.
Have you been at the honey again, Buster?
Sorry, Frank. Sammy's honey is so nice, I can't resist it.
Good thing we keep a spare jar in the cupboard.
Oh.
Hooey!
Morning.
Hi, Mitzi.
Thanks for the honey, Buster. It was delicious.
Buster. Oh, well, we're here to help.
Huh? Oh, it's Sammy. He's wearing something really funny.
Bessie, where are you? You under here?
I like your hat.
Oh, good day, Ned. Thanks.
Morning, Sammy.
What can we do for you?
Good day, all. Have you seen Bessie?
Who's Bessie?
She's one of my bees. She hasn't returned to the hive.
We haven't seen her, have we, Buster?
No. Sorry, Sammy.
It's only one little bee. You must have loads more, Sammy.
Every bee is different. They're all important.
Oh.
Maybe she's in town. I've searched everywhere for her. She must be lost. She could be anywhere.
Ooh. What's up with him?
Ned's scared of bees.
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll help you find Bessie, won't we, Buster?
Sure. We're here to help.
Later that morning, George the postman was just finishing his tea break.
Well, just what I needed. A nice cup of tea. Morning, Buster. What you doing?
Hi, George. Sammy's lost one of his bees. You haven't seen it, have you?
Sorry, Buster. Haven't seen a soul until you came along. Poor little thing. I'll keep my eyes open for it.
Thanks, George. Got a dash.
Bye.
Meanwhile, at the homestead, Frank was getting everyone ready to search for Bessie.
What do you want me to do with this, Frank?
It's for catching bees with.
Oh,
The post is in position, Frank.
Good work, Buster.
Ned had been getting ready too. He'd made a hat to keep the bees away.
Right. The first thing we need to know, Sammy, is how we'll be able to recognise Bessie.
Hello, everyone.
ask Ned about the box.
Why the box, Ned?
Don't like bees.
So, how will we know it's Bessie then?
Yeah, all bees look the same.
But they don't all sound the same. Bessie sounds like this. Bzzz, bzzz, bzzz.
Oh, that's great. Bzzz, bzzz.
But that's not right, Mitzi. Sammy's doing this. Zzz, zzz, zzz.
Well, that's great. Now I think Buster and I should search the outback in the plain.
Oh, good idea, Frank. The rest of us can search the homestead.
19. 20. Oh, George! Caught me doing my exercises. Any post?
Hi, Archie. Let's have a little look-see at that. Aha!
Ah!
Shh! Listen.
What are we listening to, George?
Oh, it's gone. I thought I could hear Sammy's missing bee.
Missing?
Yeah, poor little Bessie, somewhere out there, all alone.
Oh, dear.
Are you sure we'll see anything from up here, Frank?
Try your telescope, Buster.
There! Down there! I saw something, Frank. I really did. There it is again. It must be Bessie.
Where? Let me have a look.
Can you see her, Frank? Can you see Bessie?
When was the last time you cleaned your telescope, Buster?
Sorry, Frank.
Well, let's go back and see how the others are getting on.
The others had been searching all over the homestead. There was still no sign of Bessie.
Oh, where are you, little Bessie? Ugh, Sammy wants you home now.
You must really like Bessie, Sammy.
I love all my bees. Ned,
Yes.
why don't you like bees?
Bees sting you.
They do if you upset them, Ned. You know, it's best never to touch bees or go anywhere near them unless you're a beekeeper like me. Then you'll be safe.
Okay.
Any luck?
No.
It's no good. I don't think we're ever going to find Bessie.
We've just got to keep looking, Sammy.
Hello, everyone.
George, are you all right?
Yeah, I've just finished my rounds and I'm here to lend a hand. Any news?
She could be anywhere.
Mitzi's right.
If there's one thing I know, Sammy, the outback is full of surprises. You should never give up.
Thanks, George.
What's up, Ned?
Sorry, Ned. No post for you in there.
I can hear something. It's buzzing.
Hey, I can hear it too. Bessie, it's you. Oh, don't go away. Bessie.
Come here, Bessie.
Over here, quickly.
Oh no, we've lost her. She's gone again.
She can't be far.
It's all right. Look.
Oh,
Oh, she's really beautiful.
I think she likes you, Ned.
well done, Ned.
Come on, little Bessie. Let's get you home. There you go, Bessie. Home sweet home.
Later that day, Sammy decided that everyone who'd helped find Bessie deserved a reward. A jar of his special honey.
Delicious.
I'll have it for my tea break tomorrow.
Thanks, Sammy.
So everything turned out well in the end. Ned wasn't frightened of bees anymore, and Sammy was happy that Bessie was safe, because all life is special, no matter how small. Frank and Buster are out on their daily patrol again, looking for anyone in need of help. Who else do you think they're going to help today? Will it be Ned? Or Mitzi? Or maybe George? Maybe they're going to help someone in town. Will it be Sammy? Or Josie? Or Alice? Maybe they'll help someone by the waterhole. Do you think it'll be Archie? Or Penny? Or even Lolly? Who are the Koala brothers going to help today? It's Alice! The Koala brothers are going to help Alice today. Sometimes Alice the Platypus worked at the cafe at the end of the main street. Alice loved working at the cafe, and she always tried to do the very best job possible. But on this particular day, Alice was feeling a little strange.
Morning, Alice. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, Archie, it's a... Oh, dear. Oh, no. Oh.
Everything all right? I'll have the usual. Thanks, Alice. Oh!
There you go, Archie.
Ha-ha! I thought so. You have the hiccups, Alice. Why ever didn't you say so before?
Sorry, Archie. It's just that I'm trying to do a good job, but it's very hard with these silly hiccups.
Yes.
Meanwhile, back at the homestead, Frank and Buster were getting ready to fly into town.
Hi, Mitzi. Hi, Ned.
Hi.
Can we pick up anything for you in town?
No, thanks, Frank.
I'm right, thanks.
Buster, you do look funny upside down.
That better, Mitzi?
Stand by for takeoff. Chocks away, Buster!
Chocks away, Frank.
Get the gate, Ned!
I'm getting the gate, Frank.
Buckle up, Buster!
Buckled up. What's that strange sound, Frank?
Beats me, Buster. But whatever it is, it's coming from Alice's. Come on.
Well, in my experience, Alice, the very best thing you can do for hiccups is to take a deep breath, hold it in and... Oh, hello, chaps.
Hello, Archie. Alice.
What's up, Alice? Hello, hiccups.
Alice, my friends, has a rather bad case of the hiccups. Aha! The hiccups. I had the hiccups once.
If only I knew how to get rid of them.
Indeed. I'm sure we could come up with a few suggestions. Yeah, after all,
We're here to help.
Now, drinking backwards? I've heard that works well.
Of course! That'll do it.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Never mind, Alice. I'm sure Frank will think of something else.
I'm sure he will. Sorry, I'm not being a very good waitress, am I? What can I get you to?
2 banana smoothies, please, Alice.
Alice tried very hard to carry on running her cafe despite having the hiccups.
2 strawberry smoothies, just as you ordered.
But as you may remember, Alice was forgetful at the best of times. And the hiccups were making it doubly impossible to do a good job.
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, Alice.
It's no good. I just can't work in the cafe with these silly hiccups. So sorry, the cafe's closed.
Hang on a sec, Alice. Sucking a lolly.
Yes, I've heard it often does the trick in bad cases of the hiccups.
Absolutely.
You know, I do like lollies, and it might work.
Come on then.
To Sammy's shop.
Oh, here you go, Alice. The best hiccup stopper there is.
Good luck, Alice.
Thank you, Sammy. This lolly is delicious.
And it seems to have done the trick too.
I'm so sorry, Sammy. I just make a mess wherever I go.
Oh, don't worry, Alice. It won't take a sec to clear up.
I'm sure we can think of another way to get rid of your hiccups.
It's not good. I'm going to go home now and stay out of the way before I cause any more trouble.
If only there was a way.
Sammy, I think there is.
Oh,
Alice, wait. I've got one more idea. I think I might know how to get rid of your hiccups.
I don't know. Do you really think it'll work?
It's worth a try.
You'll need to come over to our place.
That'd be fun.
Well, that's settled then.
I'll just get my scooter. Meet you there.
See you soon.
Bye for now.
Nearly got it, Ned.
Really, Mitzi?
Look, here's Frank and Buster. And Alice.
Hi, Alice. What's up?
I've got the hiccups. You don't say. Have you tried touching your toes? Oh, okay. It's worth a try. Look! No hiccups! Frank! Buster! I'm cured!
Alice was beginning to think she'd never get rid of her hiccups.
Alice, we can try my idea to cure your hiccups, but you'll need to be brave.
I'll do my best, Frank.
You wait here with Buster and Mitzi. Ned, you come with me.
What have you got planned, Frank?
An aerial display, like you've never seen before.
Oh, I love those. I don't have to go in the plane, do I, Frank?
No, Alice. All you have to do is wait right here.
And by the way, Buster, how was this going to fix my hiccups?
I'm not exactly sure, Alice, but I know Frank will have it figured.
So why are you going to do an aerial display, Frank?
The only sure way to get rid of Alice's hiccups is to give her a little bit of a fright.
Ooh, are you sure that's a good idea, Frank?
Ned, I think it may be the only way.
Wow! Ooh! Done, Frank! Done, house, done! Loop the loop and stuff!
Go on, Frank.
Oh dear, I can't watch! Careful, Frank! Will he be okay? Oh no! Oh, Frank, oh, do be careful! Oh dear!
Alice was so busy being frightened, she didn't even notice that her hiccups had disappeared.
Hi, Frank!
Well done, Frank.
Thanks for the show. Weren't you frightened, Frank? I was.
That, Alice, was the whole idea.
It was? Why?
Well, haven't you noticed anything?
No. The hiccups, Alice, remember? Oh, that's right. They've gone. Thanks, Frank, Buster.
So thanks to the Koala brothers, Alice's hiccups were finally cured and she was happy again.
Your usual, Archie.
A banana split for breakfast. Oh, thanks awfully, Alice.
It's a pleasure.
Soon, she was back running her cafe. In fact, things were right back to normal. Well, very nearly normal anyway.
Have you tried drinking from a cup backwards, Buster? Touching your toes? Sucking a lolly?
It's the helping song.
Come on, George!
Wait for me!
If you see your friend's in trouble, but you don't know why,
Don't look away and just walk on by.
I'd stop.
sometimes things can turn out wrong.
You could be the one that helps them along.
Always try to help.
Care for one another.
Always try to help.
Share what you have with others.
Always try to help.
Be kind to everyone.
Helping others is lots of fun.
Splendid.
Everyone has dreams that you could help come true.
Helping them will make you happy too.
That's right.
Look out for one another, whatever you do, because if you help others, they'll help you.
Always try to help.
Care for one another.
Always try to help.
Share what you have with others.
Always try to help.
Be kind to everyone.
Helping others is lots of fun. Helping others is lots